This is awesome. This is not like any other video we've done, so
no,
get to see another side of you. That's what I'm excited for.
Me and my mom are the party decorators in the family, so we do it up good. We do nothing halfway. We do it all the way, like times 10.
Right.
And so, yeah, we're just going to show you how we're going to decorate this lemon-themed bridal shower.
Let's go get it. Let's go get it.
Here are the 3 things. These are the only 3 things you actually need to make the sugar scrub. So I like to use coconut oil. So just grab a jar of coconut oil and then obviously your regular granulated sugar. And that part of it right there is that's the sugar scrub. This is an essential oil. I did order this one in particular off of Amazon. I did go with lemon. It actually smells really good. It smells like lemon drops or lemon heads, whatever they're called. And so yeah, that mixed with the lemon coconut scented, I thought it would be something festive since we are doing a lemon theme for the shower. So, okay, so those are the 3 things. I'm gonna mix those in this bowl right here, and I will show you kind of how that goes. And then this over here, this is stuff that I got just to make it cutesy, okay? So I found these jars. These are like little small mason jars. They are, I want to say these ones are 4 ounce. And I did find this big old box of 40 of them. Let me show you. Aren't they cute? So there's a layer of 20 and then there's another layer of 20 down below. So it came with the black lids and then it actually came with these cute little like chalkboard type stickers that you can put on right here. So I might write a little like description of what it is. Obviously these are really small, so I might have to like abbreviate. Or I might just write sugar scrub, I don't know. And then I also found these stickers. They are round, so I don't know if you guys can see the outline of them there. They are round stickers and it says she found her main squeeze. Like so cute, right? So I got 40 of those. And then also this brown twine I'm gonna use and I'm going to kind of tie it around there just for a cute little accent, okay? This brown twine, like you can find this anywhere, Walmart, Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby is usually my go-to when it comes to like arts and crafts stuff like this, just because they have everything you could ever dream of. Hobby Lobby is, it's my jam. But, okay, so I am going to kind of show you how I mix this up really quick. And I'll let you see the texture of it, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done and I have them nice and pretty. Here we go. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I cut the twine here, this brown twine that I showed you guys before, okay? I cut a piece long enough to where I can actually like tie a bow. And you guys, I actually found these laying around in a drawer because I've made these sugar scrubs before as a gift around Christmas time. I actually did peppermint sugar scrubs. And so I had these left over, but these you can also get at Hobby Lobby. It's just kind of like a nice little spatula thing. And so I'm gonna tie this right here and I will show you what it looks like once I'm done here. So I have this tied. Little trick here, once you get it tied, obviously the loops are really big, so I will just hold on to this middle knot here and I will just kind of pull until I get them to be where I want them to be. And then you just want to kind of situate it. Yes, I know this is a lot of work, but I'm OCD about this stuff. Okay, and then you will just take your scissors right there, And then there's what it looks like all finished. You guys, isn't that so cute? Oh my God, this looks like something you would buy at a store. I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but this thing looks stinking cute. So you got your sugar scrub there, and you've got the sticker on the top and the twine and the little spatula to help when you are scooping it out. So now I just have to do that on the other 35 of them. Hello, it's decorating day. I even brought some of my decorations from home because, you know.
Doesn't surprise me any. This is the day before, ain't it?
Yes, day before.
Day before.
Yep, we wanted to get set up inside, and then we are just hoping and praying that we don't have rain, but they're calling for possible rain tomorrow afternoon, so we're just gonna play it by ear, and we're gonna wait and see, because I rented a tent to set up.
Big old tent.
A canopy. It's a 20 by 20 canopy. And I'm really wanting to be able to do this outside, but we'll see.
I know. Gosh, it looks so good.
We'll see. I don't know.
Pray for no rain.
Yes.
But we got boxes on boxes, 2 vehicle trips, vehicles.
Just so we didn't smash boxes.
Right, so we got a bunch in here too. Bunch of goodies here, bunch of goodies. We'll have to get them inside, and there's a bunch already in the house too.
Okay, so here's gonna be one of the, what do I call this?
Gifts.
No, it's not a gift. So this is gonna be a present for the newlywed couple. So this is a date jar. So I found these little wooden hearts, Hobby Lobby. I told you, this is my jam, you guys. And then I found these little tags right here at Dollar Tree. It came in like a pack of 6 or so. So then I got these fine tip Sharpie, like permanent marker pens, and then I'm gonna have one of these sitting on each table, and then these are gonna be sitting on the placemat of each setting there, and basically people are just gonna write date ideas for the couple, and then they're gonna put them in this jar, so whenever they get stuck or they want to try a new date idea, anything like that, they can pick a heart out of the jar. You're grabbing my knuckle, I'm like, it's right here.
Hold on, I'll get it for you. I know it's
How
down
cute is
probably
this?
by that lemon.
Holy cow, it is windy out here. What in the world? Boy, you got something to choose from here. This is great. It's the next day and we are out getting set up. Kind of cut short on the filming last night. It got late on us, so we're back now. Beautiful sunny day today, which is gonna be perfect for pictures. A little windy. We'll see how it goes with the wind.
A little windy.
A little windy, you can tell by the hair. We got this nice sledge too we're gonna get out. But...
Okay, I need you to hold these.
Okay, I'm done.
We'll be back. Taking some of the leaves off so they fit, but we cut up lemons and we put lemons in the bottom.
Real
for the lemon
lemons.
theme.
Not faking it around here.
No, water, lemons, and hydrangeas.
Hydrangeas. Hydration nanges. Get a piece of the final product here. Look at that.
Well, not final product.
Well, not final, but final tent set up. It's set up nicely in the wind with some good help, obviously. Maybe glue everything down.
Shut up.
Oh yeah, getting the little scrubby deal set out. Looking great. We're gonna have to do the big reveal here just a little bit. Bear with us. Getting the little touches done. Don't want to show you too much just yet. And now we're moving away from the tent and we're doing a backdrop
I'm
here.
sweating my butt off.
It is hot, guys. It is like 85, sunny, 100% humidity, and just wild, but it is absolutely beautiful. There is a slight chance of rain that we're not at all worried about because, man, this thing looks awesome. The pictures are going to turn out great, and it's going to be a riot. Oh, them balloons turned out great. That was quite a task. Quite a task. But Looks perfect. Getting a little glue on there, thick. No, tacky glue. Thought it said thick glue. All right, now that we're recording with all different types of cameras here, we'll break this thing out and we're gonna have to reveal this thing to you guys because we are running out of time yet again. But Tori's doing a phenomenal job getting a little help from the fam here, last minute items, and let's see what all the hard work has done. Let's check it out, guys. Just like that, popping the balloons, and it's over. Load them up. Truck is all dirty now. And return the stuff to AAA. Look at that. And a 12-footer with a flag. There it goes. All the tables loaded back in. Great success.
Okay, we are back home. We're tired. It's been such a fun day, you guys. Oh my goodness. We are eating some chips and salsa, and we're cooking up all the leftovers in the fridge because we need to get groceries. But the shower was so fun. It turned out beautiful. Everything from the tent setup, it went smoother than I thought. It only took us like maybe an hour to set up. And so everything turned out so beautiful. All of the decorations, all of the backdrop. Oh my gosh, the backdrop was a hit. We did that balloon arch. I got so much stuff off of Amazon, you guys, like seriously. And we did the balloon, like the garland thing. We did that the night before. And obviously, like, you've seen clips and everything like that. So definitely I recommend getting an air compressor and using that for blowing up all of those balloons. Otherwise, you're gonna get a headache. Oh my gosh. But anyways, we about to scarf. We did end up doing the, like, just a tall cylinder vase with the lemons and hydrangeas in there for the centerpieces. Just kept it super simple, and it was so nice. It was so nice. So thank you guys so much. If you have any like centerpiece ideas, anything like that, me and my mom are big into like all of the decorating for all the parties, all that kind of stuff. I definitely got that from her. So, so let me know, what parties have you decorated for? What themes have you went for? Things like that. I really want to do a Halloween party, you guys. I don't know where. Maybe just here at our house. I don't know, but Halloween's my jam. That's my jam. So, but anyways, thank you guys so much for hanging out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and stay tuned for more fun videos. Bye, guys.